Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways for the month of January. So I always do an eyeshadow palette. So for the month of January, it is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I will put a link in the description box down below. Talks about how to enter that one. I also have a really big giveaway going on right now in honor of our 1 year on YouTube. In it is a sold out Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson palette. So make sure to check all of that out. So today we are talking FabFitFun, and I'm so happy I got my box early. I am ecstatic. FabFitFun is a seasonal box. It ships out every quarter for $49. And in between those seasons, they have what's called an edit sale. And you can get an additional box that the editors kind of create of all different past products, and they put together a box for you. There are no choices on it, where you do have choices on your one that shipped out every season. The editor's one, there isn't a choice, and so that's the one downside to it. But it ships out so it's $49, and they also have what's called their add-on sale, and in that add-on sale you can get the additional box. You can get a mystery bundle, which I have done, and that video will be up shortly. I also added a couple products that they have their add-on sales. You guys, you can get stuff at a crazy discounted price. So some of the add-ons that I did pick up is they had their teeny skinny and teeny colon teas on sale. I love these. So your colon one only due every 6 months. I just finished up a round with the colon, so you do a colon tea every other day and your skinny tea every morning. I'm still doing the skinny tea every morning. The colon one, I just finished a month long of it up, and I will do a video kind of telling you all of my secrets and tips and tricks for this, because there are some ones you guys want to make sure to watch that out. I do, if you're interested in Teeny, I do have an affiliate code. I will put that in the description box down below. Another product that I picked up is from Larinum Mineral. It's our Lash Dance Intensive Lash Serum. A couple months ago, I did a review, like a 90-day review of the New Lash, which I absolutely fell in love with. Loved it a lot. I've been trying another one, and I haven't liked that one as much as the New Lash. And I did a video for that, so I will put on the New Lash one, so I will put that in the description box down below as well. So I can't wait to try a new lash serum out. They also had on sale a bundle, and they like doing all sorts of bundles on their add-on sales. And they had some Smith & Colt, and I love Smith & Colt nail polish. So I picked this bundle up. This one is in the shade Love, Lust, Lost. And I thought this was a really pretty kind of spring shade. And then who doesn't like a little sparkle? Look how pretty this is, you guys. And I thought this would actually be really pretty over this. And this one is in the shade A Little Lovely. I love Smith & Colt polishes. So let's dive into the box itself. I do have a code. If you guys want to try FabFitFun, it'll save you some money. It kind of helps you out, and it helps me out as well. I'll put that code in the description box down below as well. So this box, they always do in conjunction with a charity, and I love that this is in support of the Women Alzheimer's movement. I have Alzheimer's in my family, and so this touches really close to home. There is a $90 gift card to HelloFresh. Let me know if you guys have used them or not. I'm kind of thinking about it. Let me know if you think it's worth it. So there is a little pamphlet in here. I love that they not only talk to you about the different products, but like in here, they say, you know, how the box is curated. You know, they figure out what's trending and on season and what will work for us. Is it what members want? You know, find out about different brands. They test all these products, discuss, deliberate, and then that's how their box is kind of born. There is insiders tips and tricks, talks about, you know, customization and select memberships, talks a little bit about their top products in the past, you know, 5 ways to boost your workout and embrace the seasons with the different fruit and vegetables. You know, for winter, it has grapefruit, orange, Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, watermelon, squash, beets. So this box is filled with top-rated products and brands that are most beloved by editors and members. We handpicked each item with you in mind, so we hope you love the editor's box as much as we do. How pretty is this? So this is the Genie by Eugenia Kim Brady hat. Look at this is super, super thick. Oh, this would keep me so warm in the winter. My son, I'm so very excited, has picked a college. I'm not allowed to say which one yet, but I will say, because he's told everybody his final 2, and his final 2 are both in very, very cold climates. I think we'll get a lot of use out of this. And yeah, so this does retail for $60. $60 for a beanie? I mean, it looks like it's really good quality and it's super, super thick. Complete your winter outfit with this adorable 2-tone beanie. I really like this. I think it's super cute. By Stone Street Soaphouse. I do know that they are cruelty free. This is their Hey Ho Wholesome Body Cream. Soften your skin with English honey and argan jojoba and almond oils. It retails for $25. It does have a very, very light scent. Ooh, this feels really, really nice on the hands. Like it. By Blaq. I've tried their under eyes. Their under eye masks, they are amazing. So Blaq is cruelty free. This is their Exfoliate wipes. You guys know I'm not really hip on taking your face off with wipes. I'll do it when I'm doing swatches of eyeshadow, you know, then I will use a wipe for that. But as far as the face, I don't want any extra tugging or anything like that going on. So to take off my makeup, I do a 2-step. This is their exfoliating wipes, retail for $19.95. Does it say how many in here? There are 25 in here. And these wipes are pre-soaked with charcoal and AHA, cleanse and gently remove dead skin cells. And it says our wet dual-sided black wipes are pre-soaked with detoxifying charcoal, exfoliating glycolic acid, AHA, and vitamins A, B, and C to cleanse and gently remove the top layer of dead skin cells, revealing brighter, more even skin with the smooth side to the swipe off makeup and dirt. Then flip it over for the textured side for deeper cleanse and exfoliation. Your skin will be living its best life in no time. From Stone Cold Fox is their hardback notebook. Retails for $30. Jot down your notes and to-do lists in this durable flower notebook. I think I'm going to give this one as a gift, so I'm not going to unseal it, but it's basically a bunch of blank pages in here. By Grace and Stella, another cruelty-free brand. Love it. So this is the Dr. Pedicure Exfoliating Foot Mask. Shed dead skin right off your feet with the innovative foot mask. This foot mask retails for $19.95. It better be taking all my dead skin off for that price. What? I do a masking review series here on the channel where I try on different masks and let you know what I think. I do have a hand and foot one coming up, so be on the lookout for this in an upcoming masking video. Ooh, I have been loving a Skin&Co company lately. This is their Roma Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. It's soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin with a dewy mist. Retails for $35. I have one of these and I love it. It does make a really dewy look to your skin. So if that's what you like, this would be a really great one for you. If you like more of a mattifying look, this probably isn't your cup of tea, but for me, I like more of the dewy complexion, so I really do like this. I love Lavido hand creams. I think it's their Mandarin Orange one I have. This one is the Nourishing Hand Cream in Musk. Coconut and shea butter and exfoliate blend of organic shea butter and coconut oil absorbs into the skin for soft hands. Retails for $14. I can really smell the coconut in here. I don't really smell the musk as much, but the coconut I do smell. And yeah, I think it's pretty. So I have the Stone Creek on this side and then the Lavido on this side. Love new hand cream, especially this time of year in the winter. My hands get all cracked. Love it. I am so excited by this last, I keep saying so excited, but I am, by this last product. Look at this tote. I mean, it's huge. Yeah, here are your handles. It's got this on the inside with a little snap clutch, and it has a little pocket here. So this, you guys, don't freak out, it's faux snakeskin, it's not real. So this is the Summer and Rose Rosie Snakeskin tote bag. The faux snakeskin in this carry-all tote is a perfect size to hold your everyday essentials. This does retail for $58. How fun would this be to travel with? This is super chic. Love, love, love it. So I thought this was a really, really good box. I mean, this alone paid for the box itself. Love it. This hat was super warm and comfy. You know, you got those hand creams, the dews, the notebook. This notebook, I think what I'm gonna do is save this for an upcoming giveaway. So I got stuff for me in here. I got stuff for you in here. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. So all you have to do is hit the subscribe button twice and it'll turn on the notifications for you, so that way you know when we upload a new video. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day and I will see you soon. Bye.